The distance d in miles that Kerry is from Chicago is given by the function d of t equals 240 minus 60t, where t is the number of hours since he left Indianapolis. What is the domain of the function? So our function d of t is equal to 240 minus 60t, where t is the hours since he left Indianapolis. Well, remember that when we want to find the domain, we want to know what values of t are allowed to be input to the function. Well, since t represents a time, we know that for sure t must be greater than or equal to 0 to start. But now we have to remember that distance cannot be negative, and therefore this expression must be greater than or equal to 0. In other words, 240 minus 60t must be greater than or equal to 0. Solving this, negative 60t greater than or equal to negative 240. Now, when we when we multiply both sides by negative 1/60th, we must reverse the direction of the inequality symbol. So, on the left-hand side, we have t is less than or equal to, negative times negative is positive, 60 divides into 240 4 times. So now we have a restriction that t must be less than or equal to 4. Combining all of that together, what we find is that the domain can be written as the set of all t such that 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 4. And if we want to write that in interval notation, we write including 0 up to and including 4.